Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Steven Chuka, and in this video I'm going to be talking about Bybit P2P. Now, the reason I'm doing this video is because of this comment on my YouTube channel. This person asked me I should make a video on how to withdraw from Bybit to Roku. I made a video on this already and I've sent it to this person, and it's on my YouTube page, but I was like, why would you want to withdraw to Roku if you can just withdraw directly to your bank account? So I have to make this other video about Bybit P2P, and I'll be explaining what P2P actually means so that you understand what the term is. P2 in literal terms means peer to peer. So you are going to be making transaction with your fellow Bybit user. Now I'm going to be explaining something else in this P2P, because in P2P there's what we call middleman. Now when you come over to your Bybit, this place between P2P is where you click. Now, what I want to explain in this P2P is that there's what we call an escrow service. Now, this escrow service, I want to define it so you understand the term very well. Escrow is a service or process where a trusted third party holds money or assets on behalf of two parties involved in a transaction. Third party releases the funds only when both sides have met all the agreed conditions, ensuring deal is secure and safe. So the escrow help to create trust on both sides. So now I'm on the P2P page. You will see different buyers and sellers. Like, just imagine I have received an airdrop funds on my Bybit wallet and I want to send this money to my account. What I have to do is just to come over to P2P trading. Then maybe I have 10 USDT on Bybit. I'll just come over to P2P and I'll go over to sale. You see, there's a buy, there is a sale. Now on this place they had different vendors. What I have to do is just to search for vendors that match my own criteria. Now you see, this first person is not eligible, so I'll just have to scroll down to find eligible person. Again, what I want to know is that there is different price and there are different quantities. There are also different limits. So when you scroll down, you might find the kind of buyer that suits what you want. If you don't want to waste much of your time, you can just filter it at the top here. Let me click on amount and just click on maybe this is in naira. So I click on here and I click on maybe 20,000 naira, confirm. It's going to bring out all the search that's of my price I'm looking for. Now this 20,000, these are people that can sell for me. This person is online but ineligible. I'll keep scrolling until I find an eligible person. Now normally Bybit, I observe that most times I usually do a lot of search, but I have done another P2P video on another exchange called OKS. It's more faster in OKS than Bybit. I observe anytime I use Bybit, I used to take my time to search for vendors. Now these are vendors that are online. You can trade with them. What you have to do is just to click on sell and enter the amount of USDT, enter your bank details and click on sell. You don't have to fear at all, because the escrow service will make sure that your funds are safe. Bybit is acting as escrow. It will hold your funds until all the conditions are met. Until all conditions are met, it will now release tokens to the both parties. So there's nothing to fear about trading P2P. You only have to be careful to follow the instructions to confirm if you have really received the money before releasing funds. So that's how to do P2P trading, easy and simple. Now I'm not going to be doing any trading right now because there's no funds in this account, but this is just a way to do P2P simple and easy. Now, if you want me to make more videos like this, write down on my comment section. And if you've gotten any value from this video, make sure you like this video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to this my YouTube channel so you get more videos like this when I upload them. And share this video to your friends, and I'll see you on my next video.